Hello, everyone. I think we're going to get started now. I'm Ashley Tyson. I'm with the Web3 Foundation. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, obviously, so much for all of our speakers flying out from all around the world to join us in Seoul. This is our first Dot Day. It's kind of a new experiment for us at the Web3 Foundation on behalf of Polkadot. Obviously, Polkadot will be launching at the end of this year, so this is kind of an introduction to what we're building, as well as the teams that are building the technology that we're building on top of, and in addition, some of the people who are building on top of Polkadot when it launches. So it's very exciting for you all to join us in these humble early days of Polkadot, and I think next year, hopefully the same time, we'll see a lot of changes and a lot of positive progressions in the tech in the community that we're building. But wanted to thank Erica Kang, who is the founder of KryptoSeoul, who's hosting us here today. So I wanted to give her a minute just to say a couple words about her organization.
Hi everyone, my name is Erica Kang. I'm the CEO and founder of KryptoSeoul, and that's June was working with me. And we are actually a community building team based in Korea. We host a lot of events, meetups, conferences for people around the world, and we try to make Korean market a good place for everybody to, mingle and to show their projects and to communicate with the right people, basically. And yeah, so we're, very well connected with Polkadot, and we think that they have something great to show to the Korean community. So we decided to, help them out with Dot Day. And I'm sure many of you fly in for economy, and if you have any questions about the Korean logistics or anything around, I'm here to help you out. So you can have my name card. You can just contact me anytime. So I'll be happy to help you out. So thank you for coming. Thank you.